Alright guys, so today I'm doing something different. I'm making some mashed potatoes using some potato chips. I saw this video and I wanted to see if it's trash or not. So I'm going to the supermarket to get some potato chips to see if it's worth it. Also I'm making some Cheetos and mac and cheese. I also saw this video and want to remake it. So today we're making 2 dishes, so let's go. Hello guys, so we're at the supermarket right now, about to go in. Let's go. Alright, so what we need to start this is, we need Lays, Cheetos, mac and cheese. Just 3 ingredients. Yeah. Where's the Lays? I guess it's the other aisle. Alright, spicy Cheetos? No. What is the more expensive there? 6 bills. Whoa. Is this the same thing? No, how much of this? Since we're just trying this out, let's go for this. And go for 2 Lays. Alright. And yeah, and mac and cheese, some Kraft mac and cheese. I think we need to go to the next aisle. Alright, so we're just going for the cheapest one. For some reason the spiral is cheaper. No sir. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Lays, Cheetos, mac and cheese. Yes, so guys, so we have the Lays, we have the Cheetos, and we have the mac and cheese. We're about to go back to the kitchen to see if this actually tastes good. So let's go. Alright, so we're back, we have our chips. Alright guys, so we're back. We have 2 chips, Lays. So we're gonna get some water now to boil this to see if it's worth it. Alright guys, so here we have some potato chips. I'm not sure how much water I should put in it. I just use my judgment. This one there. Okay, so I want to apologize for the noise. There's a main road right behind this wall. So yeah. Let's see if we can make some mashed potatoes. The only thing we need is potato and salt. Potato and water, I mean. No salt needed because if you know this, you know it's already salty. So I try and mash it out. Yeah, so right now it's just looking like some soggy chips. Maybe turn on the heat. Just stirring this until it becomes mashed potatoes, I guess. They get dark. Oh, look on the camera. Oh, can make a night shoot, you know, different. So now it's looking more like mashed potatoes, I guess. But it's a bit too soupy. So I'm gonna increase the speed. I'm gonna increase the heat. So I mean, like, what am I talking about speed? I'm not driving. So I'm gonna increase the temperature. Alright, so I'm finished now. I'm going to plate this. Pour it out in this. Yes, I'm going to add some butter on top. And some over here. Try to make this as visually appealing as possible. Voila! How this look, guys? I don't know which camera I should focus on. So I just made some. Yes, so I just made some mashed potatoes from some potato chips. I'm about to taste it now to see if it's good. Alright, so now it's time to taste it. Kinda nervous. Tastes like Lays. More like Lays than mashed potatoes. Tastes like make sure to explain to you. Let's say put a bag of Lays in your mouth and just let it stay there. Soggy, soggy. That's how it tastes. Nothing to carry home, nothing to talk about. I'm happy that I tried it, so I know what not to do. Tastes like baby food. Tastes like I don't know if you know it, but like powder mashed potato mix. We just add water. This is it. I could upgrade this, maybe add some onion, some garlic, some spice, but better just get your own potato and boil it and make your own mashed potato. But yeah, so now we're moving on to the Cheetos mac and cheese. Put this aside and start boiling some pasta. Alright guys, so the water is bubbling right now. So let me add the pasta. And stir this around. Ooh. So we're gonna allow this to cook. And then after this, now we're gonna put this aside and start with the cheese. Cheetos. Action! Alright guys, so we have the pasta on the side right here. So now we're waiting for the water to boil. Wait for that bike. Alright, so we're just waiting for the water to boil so we can throw in the Cheetos. It's not the fire flaming Cheetos, it's just regular Cheetos. Extra crunchy they say. It doesn't matter because we're going to put this in the water, so it's going to be extra soggy. Yeah, so we're going to combine the Cheetos and the cheese that comes with the mac and cheese. It's crunchy. I say, I'm not going to speak negative on this. Cheetos taste nice. Just that when I saw the video, it did not look that much appealing to me. But I'm more concerned about the taste and not the appearance. Alright now, so it's a small amount of Cheetos because we're not making much pasta. Put this in there. Yeah, so whoa, this is working fast. What do you think? You think I should put some spice in this, or no? I'm just gonna let it stay to get the natural flavor, I guess. So now I'm going to add the cheese powder that comes with the mac and cheese. Both of them have the same color, to be honest. So I'm going to let this reduce. So I'm going to increase the temperature. Probably should have buy one more Cheetos, but you don't want to spend too much money on this experiment. Alright guys, so we're back. We'll let the sauce reduce. Doesn't look much Cheetos-y. I don't know if that's a word. But yes, now I'm going to add the... So now I'm going to put the pasta inside the sauce pan. Stir this around. Looking cheesy, but I don't think I'll taste much of the Cheetos in it. Probably should have buy more Cheetos, but again, I did not want to waste my money. Alright, turn this off. Put it in the plate. Move this so the camera can see. Maybe should I use the flaming hot Cheetos, but in Jamaica I can't find any. Yeah, so we have the Cheetos mac and cheese. I'm thinking about a garnish. I'm gonna put some tomatoes on top. Some diced tomatoes, I don't know. Alright, let me put it right here. Alright. and some finely chopped scallion. Alright guys, I'm finished. Now it's time to taste this. I was a bit disappointed with the mashed potatoes, but let's see if this is better. I'm not happy, to be honest. This, guys, don't try this to it. Don't try this. It's not worth it. It's not bad, but I was expecting more oomph, so I'm left disappointed. I'm pretty sure this is high in calories, very high. It's okay. I prefer the mac and cheese over the potatoes. The potatoes just taste like some soft Lays. Guys, save your time and money. But you can try it if you want, but I don't recommend it. But the mac and cheese can go on. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's episode. I tried some Lays and turned it into some mashed potatoes, and tried some Cheetos and tried to make some mac and cheese. I wasn't impressed. But then again, I'm not a big fan of Kraft mac and cheese. It tastes too artificial. So maybe that's why I don't like this. But it tastes better than the mashed potatoes. Yeah, but that's it for this week's episode. Until next week Sunday, thanks for watching.